You just got your foundation repairs completed, and many homeowners start to feel uncertain after their repairs and are wondering, did that actually work? Did that fix my problem? Cracks don't always close up completely, and sometimes there aren't big visible changes that happen after doing foundation repairs. This uncertainty can certainly lead to stress and second guessing, and probably worst of all is the fear of having to do unnecessary extra work. The big thing you're probably asking yourself right now after having all that work done is, did your foundation repairs actually work? How can you know for sure? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we've been fixing foundations here in the Brazos Valley for the past 40 years, and we know what signs truly indicate a real success for foundation repair. There are really three things that can be an indication for a successful foundation repair. One of the big indicators of a successful foundation repair is going to be structural movement stops. So the goal of a good foundation repair is going to be addressing problem signs that you were dealing with at time of inspection. A lot of times it's door problems and cracks in the walls. So of course with door problems after foundation repair, we want to address door problems that were caused by the settlement of the home. So those problems should be gone after the repair is completed. So they should not be returning rapidly after completion of the repair. As well as cracks. Cracks that were caused by the settlement should also be addressed by lifting and stabilizing the foundation. If those things are starting to return quickly after a foundation repair, then it's likely that maybe that repair wasn't as successful as originally intended. Is going to be something that is tied back to the company that did the repair in the first place. Do they have a solid warranty? A solid foundation repair contractor is going to have a good warranty that is transferable, and they're going to stand behind their work. So if something does seem to resettle and shift after initial repair, that they're going to come out and address those things and get your home back to where it was after the repair was completed. Lastly is going to be something that we call the time factor. It's always important to note that when foundation repair is done on your house, the actual raising portion of that job is something that happens relatively quickly. And we like to say homes get happy where they've been sitting. So we're going to come in and do all this correction and fix that problem, but the house is going to want to try and move back. So the time factor kicks in the first couple weeks after repair is done. You might notice a few subtle changes after the repair was done, and that's totally normal. We expect houses to do that, which is why we recommend, if you are planning on doing some patches or some other cosmetic changes to the home, to wait a few weeks after the repair is done to go forward with doing those items. That way the house has time to, let's say, regain its happiness at its new location. What now? The best thing that you can be doing now after repairs are completed is going to be monitoring your home for the next couple months after the repair was completed. Track any sort of movement or cracks that appear, and if something seems off, get a hold of your contractor and let them know that maybe you feel like there's been some additional movement. We also want to note that it is very important to choose a company that provides clear post-repair documentation, and that's mainly going to be the warranty. That way there's not a ton of fine print in there that may void out your warranty. So make sure you're doing your research on which company you're choosing and that they're gonna back up their warranty. If you'd like to do a little further research on this topic, we're gonna put a link down below in the description that'll take you to an article on our website. That way you can do a deeper dive on this topic.